Hey there! Today we are diving into some kitchen chemistry to clean up these Japanese yen coins I found during my last metal detecting adventure. First, let's pour the vinegar into a glass container. Then add a good amount of salt and mix it all together with a wooden ice cream stick. Now take a look at these coins. They're pretty tarnished and have really lost their shine. To test the mixture, we will place one of these dull coins into it. As the coin soaks, you will notice the vinegar and salt working together to remove the tarnish and reveal the coin's original shine. Once the coin looks clean, rinse it with water to wash away any remaining solution. And there you have it. Your coins should now be much brighter and refreshed.